Hello students, welcome back to the online class. So today we are going to do a continuation of the chapter which we were doing previously. So the chapter was chapter number 5, topic every drop counts. Spotlight. In this class we are going to cover the sources of water and purification of water, and this video wanna be part 2. Okay, for the reference please take out your book, page number 34. Source of water. Water from ocean and sea cannot be used for drinking or cooking because it's too salty. So the water of oceans and sea we cannot use for drinking and cooking. Because of why? Because of it's too salty. We need fresh water for our use. There are the two main sources of water. What are they? Rain, as you can see in the image, and next is the melting snow in the mountain, as you can see in the image. Rainwater is collected in the pond, tank, lake, in other water bodies. As you can see, the rainwater, whatever the rain used to come from up, that rainwater is collected in where? Pond, tank, lakes, in other water bodies, as you can see in the image. Groundwater. Some of the rainwater is absorbed by the ground. This water is called groundwater. So whatever the rain used to come from up, that rainwater is absorbed by ground, and that water is called groundwater, as you can see the example in the image. It is drawn out from tube well and hand pump. So those water used to be drawn out, means took out from the ground, from where? From tube well and hand pump, as you can see in the image. Groundwater is used in different purpose. So the groundwater is used for what? For different purpose. What are they? Like drinking, washing, bathing, and for irrigation and etc. Clean water. River water gets polluted, especially when it passes through the cities. So river water gets polluted, especially when that river used to pass through the cities. The river used to pass through the cities. Because of that purpose only, the water gets polluted. People throw waste and garbage in the rivers. As you can see in the image, the people used to throw lot of waste and garbage in the rivers. Because of that only, the river gets polluted. This makes water unfit for drinking and cause several waterborne diseases. Because of this only, the water is very unfit for drinking, and that may cause several waterborne diseases. Those water need to purify before drinking. So before drinking that water, we need to purify it. Source of water that are fit for us to drink. Stream water. Stream water can be considered the purest form of water for drinking. So stream water, as you can see in the image, this is an stream water. It is considered the purest form. It is a very purest form of water with lots of minerals, and it is good for drinking purpose. Rainwater. Rainwater is considered as a purest form of water, but the rainwater gets polluted when it falls. It gets mixed with polluted water of atmosphere and form acid rain, which is harmful for us. So the rainwater is also considered as a purest form of water, but the rainwater gets polluted when it falls down. It mixed with the polluted air and atmosphere and acid rain. Because of that only, it's very harmful for us to drink. Now groundwater. The groundwater can be used for drinking in the same plain area, but some other area the groundwater need to be purified before the drinking. So groundwater can be used for drinking in the plain area, but in some area the groundwater need to be purified before we drink. River water. River water cannot be used for drinking because it pollutes when it flows. We need to purify before we drink. So river water we cannot use for drinking because it gets polluted when it flows. We need to purify it before drinking. Oceans and sea water. This water is not all too fit for drinking because it's too salty. We cannot use this water for our household work. Lake water. We can use lake water for drinking in some safe area only, but we can use the lake water for other purpose like bathing, washing and irrigation, etc. Purification of water. Water can be purified before drinking. As you can see in the image, before drinking water, we need to purify the water first. As you can see the process how the water can be purified. This can be done by boiling the water, storing in the clean utensils and covering it with lid. As you can see in the image, there are the many purposes to purify the water. First we have the boiling, then we can put some chemicals to kill the germs of water, and then the multi-stage, as nowadays we can get filters and all. Yes, through that also we can purify the water. We can apply some chemical which kills the germs and the water will be fit for us to drink, as I told you. Nowadays many purifiers are available, which is modern method to purify water. Waterborne disease. So what are the waterborne diseases? Some of the waterborne diseases are as follow. So here are some waterborne diseases. What are they? Malaria, cholera, hepatitis A, dengue fever, typhoid fever, diarrhea, dysentery and skin disease and etc. As you can see in the image, those are the examples of waterborne disease. Preventing from waterborne disease. Nowadays the monsoon season is there, sometime rain, sometime sunny, so it's quite harmful of those water also. So you must be safe. You cannot keep the water flowing out because they may sit lots of mosquitoes. Yes, so because of that only, that bites only, because of that mosquito insects will sit over that open water. So because of that only we may get a lot of sickness through that. So boil water before drinking. Wash your hand carefully before eat or drink. So whenever you used to sit for eat or drinking, you must wash your hand. Nowadays the virus is also there, so frequently you must wash your hand with your soap, water before eating or drinking. Whatever you are taking, for that also you need to wash your hand. We can use water purifier to make the water fit for us to drink. So you can use the water to purify the water for fit to drink. We must use only clean water for washing and bathing. So you can use water only clean. For what? For washing and bathing. If the water is clean, your whatever the utensil you are cleaning, if the water is dirty, then how you can be very clean? Yes. So if the water is dirty, if you wash your utensil, if you bath with that dirty water only, then obviously you will may fall sick. So whenever you use for cleaning, you have to use what? Clean water for washing, bathing, for drinking purpose. Okay. While bathing and washing, you must use germ killing soap and detergent. As you know, while bathing and washing, you have to use germ killing soap and detergent. Okay. So that's it for today's class. See you in the next video. And the chapter needed to be continued. So as you know, this coronavirus is not a joke. So please, you need to stay home, then you will be safe. So till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you and take care.